In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add your own logo to the customer-facing Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2.0 app, creating a fully branded experience for your customers. Open the Alibi Vigilant Mobile Pro app and sign into your P2P account. Tap the Me icon in the bottom right corner, then select Co-branding. You'll be prompted to enter a gift code, which you can obtain through Alibi Security. Tap Redeem, enter your code, and select Redeem to confirm. After redeeming the code, you'll be taken to the upload page. Tap the screen and select your company logo. Make necessary adjustments and hit the check mark to upload. You can also add your company details if you'd like. Tap Save to confirm changes. Remember that gift codes do expire. To extend your co-branding service, tap Extend Service and enter a new gift code provided by Alibi Security. Your co-branding setup is now complete. Keep in mind, your customers will only see your logo if the device was set up and delivered through your dealer account, or after they've added you as their remote service provider in the app. If you need guidance on that process, be sure to watch the remote service provider tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.